What's up, everyone? Zotaev here, aka John. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Let's go ahead and get straight to the video. Alright, guys, before I go ahead and move forward with this video, I do want to say I am not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes only. Do your own research every time, okay? So you want to go ahead and head over to CoinMarketCap. Go ahead and click on search on the top right corner. Ticker symbol is MONS, Monsters Clan. It is on a dip, buying opportunity, not financial advice. You can go ahead and check out the daily volume, really solid. We're not going to go too deep on, supply or any of that. I just want to go ahead and put out the project out there so you guys can go ahead and do your research. You want to go ahead and click right here on Monster Clans. The website is going to take you to the right website. Usually, stick to CoinMarketCap is where they have the most, accurate information. Contracts is where that contract address is going to be. So if you are interested in to buy the token, this is the way you can go ahead and copy it and use PancakeSwap. Okay, let's go ahead and head over to the website. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick dive on the website. So it is, they do offer NFTs. They do have a marketplace going. We'll check out the marketplace right now. The game mechanics, you collect, own, create, which is like breeding, feed your monsters, trade them, and then battle them, okay? They do have some very solid partners and investors. As you can tell, Chainlink, Polygon, which other one's pretty out there? Duck DAO. This list has definitely grown. I mean, from the time I started investing in Monsters Clan, they had a good handful of partners. Now they have a lot of partners. So comes to tell you a lot of big money is going into this. Buy, sell, or rent. So to me, that's what stood out to me the most is a renting part, which is a feature that is like passive income. So we'll go ahead and go a little bit deeper into that. But you have the freedom to buy, sell your monsters according to your game strategy, grow, and get successful in Monsters Clan. So it is a play to earn. Monsters Lab is a Monsters Laboratory, special laboratory set up for performing chemical processes, which is enhancing your monster, I'm assuming, which are these potions right here. These potions are what you'll be able to create in the Monsters Lab, okay? So it doesn't really tell you much about these potions. You scroll down right here, you have the roadmap. We're in season 5 right now. They're going to be offering a staking program with their NFTs, lottery program, and the game development. Season 6 is super important. Is the day Monsters Clan goes live. Okay, so everyone stay tuned. Put this in your calendars. If you are watching this video after November, today's November 16th, so it's going to be like a documented video, right? So there you go. We're already making history as we speak. So you could go ahead and create monsters, breeding them. It says right here, third person game, first ever used controlled. So the cool thing that I really liked about this platform is that it's going to be on Windows, iOS, and the Game Play Store and Apple Store. So that's massive. I think that's something else. All right, so you can go ahead and find right here the white paper, go more in depth about the project, grumpy paper, team. You can go ahead and check out the team. I do believe they have their LinkedIn's attached. Yeah, they do. So you just go ahead and check them out. Way to reach them, audits, their socials is where you can find them up right here in the corner. Usually, just a quick little run through of the project. So their social medias, I always recommend checking their social medias, see how active the team is, see if they have a Discord, see if they have a Telegram, see how active the community is, if the CEO is responding, the developers are on it. You want to make sure the project you're in, it's being active, okay? So what a lucky day, right? 777. So They have a pretty good following too. Decent for not being too known. Their recent tweet was on November 14th. Today we are on the 16th, so that was about a few days ago. They start talking about the project a bit. A couple retweets, likes. So it has a decent community going there. It's not super popping right now, but I believe that's going to be changing very soon, especially with the talks about Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook changing the name and you know as crazy as it sounds, that's where we're heading to. We're heading into a virtual reality world. I still can't imagine, um, going out to virtual clubs. I mean, that's going to be pretty cool, right? But I don't see myself doing that yet. But I mean, that might be just the move, right? I mean, why not be able to go to a metaverse and possibly make money that you could actually spend in this real world, right? That's cool. I think that's how it's gonna work. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out the marketplace real quick. You can go ahead and check out the monsters. The NFTs have been closed already, so it's a little too late now to go ahead and jump in. But you could go ahead and buy land. I did check the prices. They do go for a couple thousands of dollars. You can go ahead and check the monsters right here. Coin boxes, laboratories, where we're talking about. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Go down to tokenomics. Tells you all the information you need. The audit. See what happens when we click play now. Yeah, so it is being released on December 15th. I like the NFTs, man. Like, I think these NFTs are pretty cool. Let's see if we can click on them and view them. Loaded. This is loaded. My internet connection must be pretty bad. Oh, there you go. Look at that. That is cool. That is pretty cool. Yeah, my internet's been pretty slow. I don't know what's up with that. But let's see. Let's check out this last monster, and then we're gonna go ahead and damn, this is sick. Literally in all types of ways. Wow, that's trippy. But yeah, that's cool. You see why I think this could be the possible next Axel Infinity. Let's go ahead and do some quick TA work on it. We're not gonna go too deep in it, but I do have some little setup that I've been looking at right here. I am I'm more of an investor than trading. I'm not really trading this project. I think this project is going to go down further down the line. I did get in around this place right here. So yeah, I'm slightly on a loss. But like I said, I'm looking forward in this project. I really believe in it. Most importantly, this is the reason why I say do your own research and strongly believe where you have your money at, because when it has massive drops like this, if you know what you're investing in and the potential it has, just like let's say Bitcoin, if you knew the potential of Bitcoin going to 60,000 and if it was to tank back in the day to 80, 90%, and Bitcoin was at like $10, if you knew about the potential, you wouldn't be selling. Same concept goes here. If you know about a project's potential and you believe in it, there's less of a chance of you selling out of the project and getting paper hand by it. But yeah, so it did take a dip. Definitely a buying opportunity. This is on the daily chart. We did hit the support level right here around the 64, 67 cents, 64. We do have a strong support around 64. If we go back over here, 63, 64. So we did hit major support. So that's pretty good. Now we do being realistic, as much as I do like this project, if we do go ahead and fall below, 60 cents, we are entering a bearish territory. But we do see that it has hold itself for the past 2 days. This is about to be the second day that it has hold support pretty good, and we have a very strong support over here as well. Back in September, we were holding support pretty deeply right here, pretty strongly. So I did put that blue line there previously. That was my strong support line. So it did break out of this, this wedge triangle that I was forming on. It looked like it had a fake out right here. It was supposed to be a reversal, which was I was looking at closely. Should have been a reversal, bounce back up, but as you can tell, it broke that line under. I worried for a bit, to be honest, but I mean, I did touch on my support line, and I believe it's going to bounce back and possibly hit around, I would say like around $3. His all-time high was $2.80 back in October 9th. So I really do believe that this next run up that we do have, that's if Bitcoin, holds its support pretty well at the 59,000 level. We'll probably go ahead and do a little quick run up, some TA on Bitcoin, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin does move the markets with other projects like alts, like it does affect it. So we'll go ahead and do a quick little run up on that. But let's go ahead and check out the floor. I usually, like I said, I'm an investor in this. I'm not looking to day trade or any of this. So I don't worry when I see these kind of downtrends, but it did break. We are holding support pretty well. I do believe that we should be seeing a nice bounce. I mean, look at this 4 hourly chart. We have had multiple green candles, but it just seems to be a fake out. Hopefully, this candle. Today's the 16th, so maybe in the next week we should see a rebound about like to the dollar mark. If you really want to buy this project, I would say this would be the consolidating phase. So it could consolidate here for around a while, or it could bounce up. But if you're looking to buy, I would say right now would be a good buying opportunity. And if you want to take it a little bit a step further and be a little bit safer, which keep in mind, nothing's safer, right? Not the stock market, not the crypto market, not even the US dollar is safe. Okay, so I just want to go ahead and throw it out there. But if you do want to go ahead and all right, guys, this is like the fourth time that my audio keeps cutting off every time I continue to make these videos. It is getting late, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up. But what I was saying on Monsters Clan, if you want to get a full confirmation of a reversal, I would be saying you should be looking at the $1 to 120. That would be a full confirmation. I would say no, $1 to 110 should be a full confirmation that we are entering an uptrend. So I just want to go ahead and leave things up right there. I don't want to get too in depth with it because I could go in a little bit deeper. But if you guys do like these technical analysis videos and you guys want me to do this on a weekly or on a every few days, just go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this video and do a quick little video on BTC just to give you a little bit of technical analysis and my opinion of what I see behind it. Okay, but I like I said, I don't trade this project. I'm more of an investor, so I'm holding longer term, looking to sell around December. That could change. It could be any sooner, any later. It just depends. But as of right now, that's my goal to be selling into December, and I'll go ahead and go further down the line in the future of the reasons why. Just let me know down below, comment down in the video. We do have a Telegram and a Discord channel that you guys can go ahead and follow. There's nothing better than being surrounded with like-minded individuals who could go ahead and share their opinions and their ideas on different projects. And maybe even then, if you guys join the channel, you guys could probably talk about a project, and I'll be willing to go ahead and do some research and put it up on this channel and let everybody know what we think about it. Do a little bit of a background and TA check. All right, guys. So I really appreciate you guys. Like I said, this is like the fourth time that this video has cut off. I'm just gonna go ahead and end it now. I'm pretty tired. I'm exhausted. I want to go ahead get ready for tomorrow. I'm excited. I am going to go ahead and do a quick little 5-10 minute video on BTC. So I'll go ahead and catch you guys later. All right, I'm out.